Hi everyone, I'm Monica from Autenti, and today I'm excited to walk you through our seamless process for signing documents online using the Autenti platform. Let's get started. First thing first, to begin using Autenti, you will need to create an account. Just head over to www.autenti.com and click on the Try It for Free button. From there, you can register as an individual or as a company. Today, let's focus on the company registration. Select the Use for Business Purposes option and fill your company details. Enter your company email, set up a password, and complete the required information, like your VAT number and company name. After confirming your consent, click Create Account. You will receive an activation email at the address you provide. Once confirmed, you will be directed to the administrative panel of the Autenti platform. Now, let's explore the user-friendly interface. The layout is similar to traditional mailbox. On the left, under My Documents, you can create new documents, find, send, and receive files, drafts, and even search the archives for documents saved in the past. Let me walk you through sending a document for signing. Click Create New Document. Name your file or project for easier future access. Add your file or files by uploading or dropping. We support various formats like PDF, Docs, XLS, and more with a total size limited of 20 megabytes. Your files will be combined into a single PDF file with the Autenti seal. Remember, the file can't be password protected or editable fields. Don't worry, the platform will flag any issues. Next, add recipients and select their role. Let's talk about the different roles involving in the document signing process. Signers. These individuals are the key players authorized the signing documents with a company. For instance, it could be the project lead or member of the management board. Initials. These people play a crucial role in ensuring documents' accuracy. They review and confirm the correctness of the documents. If they reject a document, the signing process stops. Importantly, until the initials approve the document, all the recipients won't receive it or any information about its creation. Initials are often professionals, like lawyers, verifying data accuracy and content compliance before other signatures. Inspectors and reviewers. These roles focus on providing insight or opinion on the documents but don't impact the actual signing process. Inspectors have access to inspect documents, while reviewers offer their opinion. They are usually project-involved individuals, but not authorized signatories. For instance, a project manager establishing collaboration with a business partner. Roles like these streamline communication and access rights with your team during the document signing process. By assigning specific roles, you can ensure smoother communication, limit certain rights, and extend privilege to others as needed. Now, let's dive into an e-signature. Autenti e-signature. This signature allows you to confirm your agreement electronically. It's perfect for everyday business transactions. For example, think of quickly signing a lease agreement without printing or scanning. It's like saying, I agree, digitally. Advanced Autenti e-signature. This signature adds an extra layer of security by verifying the signer's identity entirely online. Imagine dealing with a new supplier from a distant location. This signature ensures you're certain about who you are dealing with. The signer goes through identity verification, possibly throughout video identification, ensuring trust in the process. Qualified electronic signature. This signature holds the same legal weight as a handwritten signature. It's essential for critical agreements like contracts for constructions or dealing with public administration. It ensures the legality and validity of these agreements, providing invaluable assurance for specific transactions. Here's something valuable. Autenti offers access to 21 providers of qualified signature. With such a wide area of opinions, you're sure to find the perfect one for your needs. So far, we've done a lot. We named our file, add our documents, decided who we are sending it to, assigned a role, and even picked the perfect e-signature. Now, let's complete the final steps. In Autenti, we speak your language literally. Our platform is available in 13 European languages. This means when you are working with someone abroad, you can select their native language or stick to English for clear communication. Your recipient will receive everything in their chosen language: the content of the email message, the signature card, any statements and contents needed for the process. It's all about making experience seamless and comfortable for everyone involved. The cherry on the top. Simply click the sign button to seal the deal. All right, now it's time to master the art of signing documents. Let's dive in and make the process a breeze. After reviewing the document's contents and confirming the accuracy of your data, accept the platform regulations and select Sign. Your data is encrypted for security, and you will be redirected to the main page of the admin panel. On the admin panel, track each signer's steps in the process, indicated by status labels like Open, Sign, or Rejected. Every document signed on the Autenti comes with a signature card containing essential information like document ID, the Autenti electronic seal, and details of the electronic signature, including the signer personal data and the type of signature used. It's essential to note that electronic signatures on Autenti comply with the eIDAS regulation, ensuring their legality and validity throughout the European Union. They are legal binding as a declaration of will. That is it. If you haven't tried Autenti yet, I encourage you to create a free account. Experience the benefits firsthand and consider upgrading to the Pro plan for unlimited document sending. This is an investment that will certainly pay off, especially when you think about the efficiency and safety of your work. Don't hesitate. Join Autenti community.